Guys, welcome back to my to our YouTube channel. I'm so sorry guys, I haven't posted for a while, and then here we're gonna do another unboxing video. Headphones, Alhambra, there, light, ready, okay, there. So this time I probably know the price because we just got it from in Manila. Ooh, another headphone. So here we got the plastic, like in the box also. Looks cool. So here we're gonna start. Oh, looks weird. So I think it's broken. No, it's not. It's just normal. So that's awesome. That's awesome. That's awesome. Oh, look at this part. This part is also nice, but it looks weird when it's like this. Okay, hold on, guys. I'll just forgot to say pause. Okay, so here I'm just fixing the wire. So it looks very weird. I think it's broken. Looks nice. Feels weird. And this is such a short. I think it's gonna be such a short video. Okay, I'm just gonna post a video again. So here, guys, I got the second one. It's for my cousin. I promise it's real. So here's the other one, and oh, here's the other one. So just cut the video again and bring it to it. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm sorry for this short video. And thanks for watching. Subscribe and like on your notification. Please don't forget to subscribe. I already said subscribe. I'm so sorry guys. Goodbye.